Our quick video today, guys. We're gonna be welding up this very simple reindeer project, and all we're gonna need is some leftover rebar and some round stock. And the welder of the day is this R Captain MiG 250, which will have more than enough power to get through that 5/8 rebar. All right, so here it is. This is pretty much a fun and simple project to do with a little bit of spare time while I'm off of work. Anyway, this took me about an hour to complete. I'll leave all the measurements in the description below. As always, thank you for joining me. Hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.